the city.
Well, in the last couple of hours, we've heard about another example of financial stress as a result of the Brexit vote. The second fund manager in 24 hours has suspended trading in its UK property fund because of the high numbers of investors trying to pull their money out. Well, let's discuss this further with our business correspondent, Victoria Fritz. Victoria, this is quite significant, isn't it?
It is really significant because, of course, the impact could be quite wide-ranging. Property has become a very popular asset class because people have been chasing returns because investment and interest rates have been so low for such a long time. Now, something similar like this happened back in the financial crisis 2007-2008, and real estate values at the time fell about 40%. Now, the UK property market is stretched as it is, so what Mark Carney has been talking about today is the financial stability of the system to be able to deal with a fall in valuations and a fall in commercial real estate.
So are we likely to see now a domino effect? Other fund managers doing the same thing?
Well, there have been moves by some of the other fund managers to reassure investors that this isn't going to happen, but the vast majority of them have had to downgrade what they see as their fair value estimations of what they hold on their property stocks. It's very difficult to say as yet whether or not this will create a bit of a domino effect, but the wider risk is that there are lots of other markets where there are liquidity issues, where a fund only holds 10%, maybe up to 15% of their entire holdings is in cash. So if you and I as investors want to pull our money out, they only have so much to be able to give us because it takes time to be able to sell office blocks, to be able to sell retail units. So these particular funds are very much more vulnerable than others, but they're also liquidity issues in bond markets, for example, as well. They've become a lot less liquid as a result of the financial crisis. And of course, anyone invested in the bond markets thinks that they have every right to be able to withdraw their money should they wish to. So there is a concern that this is the very first sign of proper financial stress as a result of the Brexit vote.
Indeed, and the environment of uncertainty that it's created. Victoria, thanks so much for that update.